video is a bit of a rush video on how to mount a unicycle. Different sizes. We've got 20 inch here, we've got 26 down here, 26 here, and we've also got a 36 inch unicycle. When you're mounting a unicycle, you're going to find it awkward. Putting the pressure on that back pedal will push the unicycle back, so you have to learn how to not put any pressure on that back pedal, so you can mount the unicycle with the cranks almost level, so that once you put your foot onto that pedal you can just ride away. But to learn how to do that without pushing it back, you can start on a curb. Put the wheel on the curb, you can put the pressure on that pedal without pushing it back, so you can get up onto the second pedal and pedal away. All birds are singing now, aren't they? Bless you, all laughing in video.
Sorry.
New camera woman. So once you've got the hang of that, and trying from the curb, I'll show you again. So from the curb, try not, just keep practicing this and try not to put any pressure on that, so you're more rocking yourself over the unicycle. And once you've got the hang of not putting much pressure, so you're more jumping from that one than putting the pressure on that leg, so you don't feel any pressure going on the ball of your toe on that pedal, so you're pushing off that one, straight onto that pedal and then pedal away. Stand in front of that camera now, toilet, stand here or something. So once you've got the hang of it, no, right. Once you've got the hang of it, stand here. You're going to stand in front of that one again, aren't you?
Where do you want me then? Right, go, action.
So once you've got the hang of mounting from the curb, so you're pushing back, when you've learned how to not push back on that pedal, make sure the pedal is level for you, for the foot to hit that pedal. If it's like that and you try and mount, your foot will hit it and it will go one way or the other, and if it goes that way, these spikes are going straight into your shin. So make sure it's flat, and that's what you're aiming for, and start off by just lifting that foot and get the pressure right on that pedal, so that you're not pushing it back and it's not rolling forward. So all you're doing with this leg is stopping the wheel where it is, and once you've done that a few times and you've got the balance point right, put the foot fully on there and then ride away. And that is how you mount a 20 inch unicycle. Mounting a 26 inch unicycle now. Mounting a 26 inch unicycle is different to the 20 because you are in higher gear, with it being a bigger wheel and the same or maybe slightly bigger cranks. These are 138mm cranks on this, where it says there. Can you see that? Didn't need to, but still. So you're in a higher gear, so you can put more weight on that left pedal, so it's not going to push back as easy. So when you're rocking forward, same as on the 20 inch wheel, you're not pushing it back as much, but you are having to push more off this leg to get higher, because the seat is higher than it is on the 20 because of the bigger wheel. But it's exactly the same really. You can do the same again from the curb, because it won't go up the curb putting all the weight on there. It will keep the wheel steady, so you can learn that point of balance to be able to push off from the curb. But you have to remember, as soon as you do push off, you're in a higher gear than you are on the 20. So to get moving, it's going to take that little bit more strength in your legs to start moving, and you're going to move quicker.
Oh.
Yeah. So you have to on this one you're in a higher gear. So you can push more on that back pedal, you have to keep the wheel where it is. But you're pushing harder with your right leg to jump up onto the seat to get moving. So when you push up, catch that pedal and ride away. Easy. Now for the big wheel, the 36er. This is a higher gear again, so it will not move. I've never done this one from the curb. It probably would work, but I never even bothered. Because you tend to roll it a little bit as you're mounting this unicycle. So putting your foot on there again, the seat's obviously lower, you've got to jump even higher because the seat is right up here. So you've got to jump that high to be able to get onto the seat while you've got one foot on the pedal. So when you're pushing off, make sure that pedal is level, ready to catch your foot on. Make sure that foot is perfect where you want it, so you haven't got to adjust it once you're up. And what I tend to do is start off with the cranks at, what's that, 2 and 7 o'clock. That's right, isn't it? 2 and 7 o'clock. And I tend to, as I'm pushing off with this leg, roll it a bit forward, so this pedal is pushing me up with the unicycle. I'll stop writing for a second.
Dude.
Right then, where do we get? 36, when you push it off, make sure this pedal is straight, so it's ready for your foot to land on it. You don't want to be trying to adjust it or slipping once you push off. It's a lot more to push, and I tend to roll into it and push as my pedal gets to about there, the crank gets to about that level. So you're pushing up, onto the pedal, and then you ride away. So it does take a lot more practice with the 36er, and even now for me it's hit and miss whether you do get onto it first time every time. At the minute my seat is at this height and I can tend to get on like 99% of the time. What the fuck are you laughing at? I'm on to news mode. Are you on farting?
No!
Yeah, 99% of the time I do get on it first time now, but if I alter the seat just 10mm, I struggle getting onto it. It's just because it's more of a jump and it takes it out of you more. And especially if you're doing long distance and then you're tired and then you're trying to get onto it, it's going to take it out of you and you're not going to do it. So just keep practicing and you get better as time goes on. End of the video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel.